So in this short tutorial, I'll just show you how to use this Droplets Phone Holder configurator that we have on our storefront for Crafts web shop. And you see here that we have quite a few things that you can configure. And the first one is, of course, the logo. So this is a fun one. Sort of, we consider you as a fan or an advocate if you include the logo, and we would love you to include it. So we sort of pay you the money or a discount if you do that. So if you include the logo, the phones will be a bit cheaper. And if you exclude it, you will see that it's gone now and the pattern just takes the full panel. You can also control the pattern density, so you can opt for the sparse option like this, or just use no pattern at all. About the size we will talk later, but we will jump now to the title. So I'll just turn on the dense pattern, and you can change this title to whatever you want. So this will be engraved on the phone, as you saw here as well, right? So we have engravings, and we will pick it up from the text that you enter here. You can say happy birthday like this, and then maybe enter the name of the person here, for example, or just do it other way around. That's also fine. But you see that when I did this, the 3D model also updated. Another thing that we can control here are the options for the height of the phone, the width, and the thickness. So if I drag the slider, you will see that the phone holder becomes smaller. If I drag the width to be larger, the phone holder will become wider, right? Or narrower, if that's what you are looking for. So maybe smaller phones, can have smaller phone holders. Another thing that you can change is, of course, the thickness. So the thickness is controlling this dimension, right? This is pretty thick. You can also use a somewhat smaller value for your phone. Just really measure it, right? Because, yeah, maybe you have some special case around the phone that makes it thicker, and it just needs to fit here so that it could be sitting nicely on this holder. Another thing that you can do is control the offset around your phone. So this is standard 0, and that means that whatever you enter into the width and height will just be exactly the dimensions that you get here. So the width will be this width, and the height of the phone will control this height. But if you want to some offset, like maybe 1 centimeter around your phone, right, you can just drag the slider to a new location, and then it will just increase. So your phone will have some context. You will see the pattern around it a little bit, and yeah, maybe that's a nice option to have as well. So what we have here for the rest of the options is the back length. So this is the length between this part and this part, and if you make it longer, this part will become bigger, and the angle is still the same, right? So we have a 20-degree angle. You can use 30-degree, maybe that's more convenient, it depends really on what you're looking for. So I prefer 30 degrees as well personally, but yeah, I know people prefer 20 degrees and less even. So this is really customizable to you, and you can do whatever you want. You can even go to 15, and we don't allow you to do anything different than 15 because we think, it's maybe not very comfortable anymore if you do that. So yeah, this is the way that it works. You can also exclude the holes for the wire. So this is something interesting. Like if you do that, the pattern just takes over the full panel, and you see that there are no holes here in the center and here. So the charging cable doesn't have ways to go in. But this is nice if you are not making this holder for a phone or a tablet, but maybe it's just for a book or something. So you can misuse the same configurator for configuring a book holder in the way that, you just need to probably choose the large option. And when you choose the large option, what we do is we extend the maximum values for these height and width dimensions. So then you can do like maybe 24 centimeters and the width of 20, for example. And you will see that it will take a bit longer to compute, but this is quite a big model then, right? And yeah, that also is reflected in the price, the fact that you're configuring a larger phone holder. And if you just click small, we will return the values to whatever they were. And now it's small again, height and width adapted to the maximum allowed values for the small phone holder. We discussed the angles and everything. So the last thing that we can control, of course, if you did not disable holes for the wire, so let's enable those, is the size of this input here for the charging cable. So what you can do is make it either really small like this. So that just looks also quite nice, right? But maybe your cable won't fit or something, and you can also opt in for the really high value. So I'll just drag it on the maximum like this, and you see that it just updated the model instantly. So what I just did, I went through all the options, I explained how they work, and now you can just add this item to cart, right? If you do that, you will see all of your options that you've entered here on the screen. So just before you check out, check that all of these values are looking okay to you. We will be using those to manufacture your unique phone holder. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and you will now know better how to order this product. This tutorial will be placed on the Shopify product page so that you can find it easily. And let's see each other in the next tutorials. Cheers!